to start this video by thanking Freshine for sponsoring our new home makeover with some high ceiling curtains for our living room. Freshine is a curtain brand that creates the most beautiful and most amazing curtains. I can't wait for you guys to see the curtains I picked for the living room to transform my living room and create that cozy space for my family and I. A few weeks ago, we moved into our new home, and there are a couple of things I had mentioned in our empty house tour that I was gonna change, starting with the entryway light fixture. This is a beautiful light fixture, but I knew I wanted something glam in this space, and that is what I went for. I went to Amazon to get something that looked very glam, luxurious, and very affordable, and this is what I got, and I cannot wait for you guys to see what it looks like when it's turned on. It is so beautiful, guys, and this is what I wanted. Don't judge me. It is my preference, it's my home, and it's my family's preference, and this is what we love. Okay, hello guys, and welcome to Dedes Home Interior. My name is Dede. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do home decor ideas, inspiration, and some organization. I also strive to show you how to create high-end looking homes on a budget. And if this is something you are interested in, please sit back, relax, stay tuned, and keep on watching. Today's video, I will be taking you guys with me on some amazing home updates that we have been doing in this home since we moved, starting with this amazing entryway lighting update. I am totally in love with this. This is what our family chose, and we are obsessed. Let me know your thoughts. I love it, and I love how bright it makes the space and how much of a statement piece this is once you step into the house. If you've been following my journey from the previous house to this house, you might have noticed that there is this furniture store called Lindsay Home that I am just obsessed about. I have worked with them twice in the past, and now I have purchased, okay? That's how you know how much I love the company. So in the previous video, I received a modular sofa set that also had 3 ottomans, and because the setting of my home does not require me to use ottomans, I decided to convert those ottomans into the seats. And I will show you guys in just a minute, because I went to the website and I bought the armrest, the backrest, the cushions for converting the ottomans into a love seat. And let me tell you, I am obsessed with the couch. Like the couch set that I received from Lindsay Home from the previous one we got, which was more of a shallow seat to this deep seated couch. I have loved it so much that I wanted my home to be very much Lindsay Home, and so I went in to get all of this to make the ottoman into seats. And guys, I cannot wait for you to see how this is gonna look like, my friends. Like, hold on, because I'm so excited. So I just want to use this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have supported me. If not of you, I'm not going to be here. I'm not even going to be receiving some of these packages I get from these companies, but because you've been rooting for me and supporting me and watching my videos and sharing the videos, just like you're going to do this one, right? I just want to say thank you so very much. I'm really, really appreciative. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You would also notice throughout this video that some of the major updates is my living room. That is usually a focal point for me. I take pride in making my living room very beautiful and cozy. And also, something you would notice in this video, which is a very big deep or change in my style, is I am very much into browns now. I am so obsessed with browns that I don't even know what is going on. I don't know if it's this, the year, this 30s, this third ladder that I'm on, but brown has been just making me happy. Every time I see brown, I stop scrolling. I want to have it. I just love browns, guys. But anyway, I would show you guys in just a minute how I will transform and convert and make over this living room into the beautiful, comfortable oasis that just speaks to me and my family. Okay. So guys, if you have not left us a beautiful comment yet, you know that the tradition over here is drop something beautiful and encouraging, words of encouragement, lovely words, sweet words, nice words for me, because those words always motivate me and they encourage me to continue creating amazing videos. And if you've not subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button and obviously turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload videos like this, you are going to be the first person to get notified and catch up on this update and makeover to transform this our beautiful house into an amazing, cozy, comfortable, homey home. Now, finally, to the curtains that you've probably been waiting for. I am so excited to have partnered with Freshine to make over this living room with their curtains. And I got the velvet curtains and I had to customize these curtains to fit my living room. Freshine is going to give you all what you need to be able to prepare to receive your curtains, okay? These curtains were so heavy. Depending on how you customize it, if you decide to customize yours not to be as heavy, that might actually be better for you, because it was a pain to hang these curtains up. Let me tell you, I went through hell with the people I even hired because they were complaining that everything did not seem like it was going to work, right? Because the curtains were too heavy for any rod and any nails that would have had. It was really bad. Look at how long these curtains are. But the quality though was amazing. Now, because these curtains were velvet, it did not come as folded as I would have loved for it to come. So it was very twisted and I had to steam it, and you will see how I went through days upon days to steam these curtains to finally look like what I wanted them to look like. But if I knew, I should have steamed the curtains before even hanging them up. But as you can see, they were so crumbled and not looking nice. So I had to go through days of trying to make these curtains look like what they're supposed to look for. But if you ask my opinion, I'll tell you that don't order the velvet curtains, especially if you are ordering a very long one. If you're getting something really long, the velvets, stay away from the velvets. But the others, oh my God, I've been hearing nothing but great things. Just the velvet curtains came very crumbled. So I just wanted to let you guys know, because over here, we tell the truth. We try to give you guys our honest opinions, and that is what I did. This was like the 4th or 5th time steaming these curtains, and I had to just show you guys some of them. I went in about 4 or 5 times steaming the curtains to get them to finally look like what I wanted. So again, stay away from the velvet, especially if you're getting a very long one. Okay, now to the quality. Oh my God, the quality of these curtains are super amazing. I really love them. And I had to get a steamer, which actually was a commercial steamer, to be able to get the job done for steaming these curtains. It was worth it. It was worth every penny, because it's also going to help me with, you know, just ironing my clothes. This was expensive, but I love it. I love how it is making my life easier now, from my kids' clothes to my husband's clothes to my clothes. It kind of helps just make your life easy. At this point, I was so happy with the curtains, because it was giving me what it was supposed to give, right? I was feeling the luxury in the curtains. I was feeling the vibe that the curtains were giving me. I just was obsessed at this point, and let me tell you, my work was not in vain. Let me know your thoughts down below, because I am loving it. Would you have picked another shade of curtains, or would you have picked another type of curtains? Just let me know down below. Before we tour the living room, I also wanted to show you guys this huge globe crumbled vase that I received from Z Gallery. If you do not follow me on Instagram or TikTok, please run. It's Dede Home Interior, just like my YouTube. I created all the videos with these amazing pieces and finds that I received from Z Gallery. It is so beautiful, and I showcase my full tree, cherry blossom tree, and I really like it. So guys, let me know what you think about this crumbled vase. This is another update in my home. This is something I did not have by the last video, but I just wanted to show you guys. Let me know what you think about this. And after this, we are going to go back to the entryway for you guys to see another plant that I have, and then come back and tour the living room. Hey guys, so do you remember this plant from my previous house? You guys were so in love with this plant, and so the other day when I went to Burlington, I saw the older sister of the plant, and this is the older sister of the plant. So I wanted to have two because I saw this bigger one, and this is the one we had in the old house. And when I saw this one, I gasped. I am so in love with it. So this plant right here is going to go by the stairs, and I would put this by the stairs. Let's see how it looks, okay? So I just wanted to show you guys how huge this plant is. It is so huge, and I love it for that. Okay guys, so let's get ready to tour the living room, and let me know your thoughts about what I did so far.